Welcome to our goal setting Wakelet. What you will need to do is you are going to come first up to here and click on these three dots. And you're going to choose Copy Collection and hit Copy. And then once you're in your own copy of it, you're going to scroll down. You've got some instructions here and you'll find this video here at the top. Then you have three sections: my current courses, my completed courses, and course catalog. As you come in for the first time, you'll see these just this way. As you scroll down, you will see headings for each content area, and then below those you will see the courses in that content area that are available at Venture High School. When you find a course that you are currently enrolled in, first we'll hit Edit Collection, and this is on your copied version. So I'm going to come down here, and if I'm taking Government with Ms. Bruton, I'm going to click on it with the cross arrows, and I'm going to pull it up now to my current courses. Now all of the courses that I will be doing will be in this My Current Courses section. Once I've completed a course, if I've just now finished Ms. Bruton's course, I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to drag it down to my completed courses so that only the courses I'm in will stay in My Current Courses, and I'll have a list of the ones I've completed. The rest of the courses that are still available to me will be down here underneath each content area. Then you're going to want to invite a contributor, and you are going to copy this link and share it with your advisor, or you can also put in their email address or their name here to share that with them so that they can be seeing how you're doing in your Wakelet and in your courses as well.